We guide you through how to add a signature in Gmail so every email you send looks professional. First thing you need to do is open your Gmail on your browser, click the settings gear icon, and select See All Settings. In the General tab, scroll down to the Signature section and click Create New. Enter your name, contact details, or any message you want and format it using the text tools for font, size, links, or images. After creating your signature, choose when it should appear on new emails, replies, or both. Scroll down and click Save Changes to apply it. Once saved, Gmail will automatically add your signature to outgoing emails, giving your messages a clean and consistent look every time.